my cinnamon rolls. For the dough, you will need 1.5 tablespoons of yeast, half a cup of sugar, 1 cup of milk, 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, half a tablespoon sea salt, 1/4 cup melted butter, 3 cups of flour. Combine milk that has been warmed to 110 degrees Fahrenheit with sugar and yeast. Then whisk to combine and set aside and allow yeast to bloom for 10 to 20 minutes. After yeast has bloomed, add olive oil, butter, and sea salt, then stir to combine. Next, add the flour in 1 cup increments. Comment down below, what do you want to see me make next? Don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl, then knead the dough with a stand mixer or by hand. Cover the dough and set aside in a warm place for approximately 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Punch the dough down, then gently fold the dough into a ball and flatten. With a bench scraper, divide the dough into 6 equal parts. For the filling, you will need 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 2 tablespoons cinnamon, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1 cup of brown sugar. In a bowl, combine all filling ingredients and mix thoroughly. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. To assemble the cinnamon rolls, you will need half a stick of softened butter. Slather the dough with butter and top with filling mixture. Then, roll and place into a buttered muffin tin, and if desired, add raisins. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit on the center rack of the oven for 13 minutes. Then, rotate and bake for an additional 13 minutes or until golden brown. Let cool for 30 minutes before icing. For the icing, you will need a pinch of sea salt, half a teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 2 cups powdered sugar, 1/4 cup softened cream cheese, and half a cup of softened butter. Add all icing ingredients together and mix to combine. Then generously ice the cinnamon rolls and sprinkle with cinnamon and garnish with raisins if desired. And voila! Bon appetit! Enjoy!